welcome back to my channel. Today is February 18th. I have an exam a week from today for biology. So I haven't started studying for that, and that's not good because I usually give myself 2 weeks. I didn't know I had the exam in 1 week though. I thought it was the following Monday after. But today the teacher told us, oh yeah, you guys have an exam in 1 week. The week after that, I have another exam for another class. So this vlog is just going to be me studying and getting ready for both of those exams, and also just finishing projects and assignments that I have that's also due. So I made coffee after 6 and I'm drinking coffee. It's okay. I did have a hot chai earlier at school, and I know that's worn off. That's not even that much caffeine for me. I need some more. So this is gonna last me for the night, and I'm gonna try and stay up until maybe like 2. Do not recommend, like, don't go to the extreme, guys. Like this morning, I had 3 classes today. The first one, I was literally falling asleep in. Like, I was awake, but I was asleep. It was like, and then he gonna ask me a question because I sit in the front. I sit in the front of pretty much all my classes because I can't see that well. Like, I have glasses that I wear for school to like make me see, you know, the board and stuff better. But like, even with the glasses, I don't even play that game. Like, I'm sitting front row. Mind you, we're in a lecture hall. So he literally asked me a question and I was low-key lost. Yeah, honestly, that's really, the caffeine is needed. Like, I'm gonna choose to sleep every time. Like, if I feel tired, I'm not gonna fight the sleep. And then I have this thing in my brain that's telling me, oh, it's okay if you're tired now, just go to sleep now and wake up early. That's not gonna happen, because when the alarm goes off at 5 a.m 6 a.m, I'm going to go back to sleep. So this is what we're gonna do. I actually think I have something due because I have lab tomorrow for bio. So I'll probably have to do something like a pre-lab. Like, bio really just be stressing me out so much, and it's like, that's not my major, mind you. Like, mind you, I'm a computer science girly, mind you, and I'm here stressing about bio. But it's okay, we're gonna make it work, guys. So this is the vibe I have going on. I have my notes from class and also from the textbook, and then I have my professor's slideshow, and then I'm using Quizlet, and I'm just putting the information from the slides into the flashcards, as well as just looking on my notes and just adding in any extra information that I need to. And I think it's going good. I will say that definitely the process of making flashcards is definitely a way to study. I feel like that's a study, you know, tactic or mechanism on its own. Like, actually making the flashcards. Like I said, I loved doing physical, but I don't have any right now, and I'm just like, I have Quizlet Plus, so let me just use Quizlet Plus.
Hey, that's what we're gonna start with.
Hey guys, I'm back home now. I'm not hearing nothing you're saying. And I took a shower. I'm about to lock in to some schoolwork because it's been a long day. I had one class, but outside is very nasty. It's like drizzling, foggy, nasty. But at least the rain is washing away the snow because the snow was nasty and black. And it's washing away the dog poop that's all over the place. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Anyways, I need to log in. I have 4 more sets of flashcards to make. Well, it's all in the same set, but there's 4 lectures that I did, and then I have 4 more lectures that I have to do. In total, it's 8. That's what's on the test. So that's what we're gonna do. And I don't know why my professor. This is for bio. I have this class on Mondays and Wednesdays, and he made the test be the first 8 lectures, and the 8th one is on Monday. So I'm trying to think, like, why would we take a test on Wednesday on something we're learning on Monday? Like, you should have it cut off. Like, the cutoff should be the previous Wednesday so that we have a week. You shouldn't be teaching new material on Monday and then we're getting tested on that material on Wednesday. In total, there's 8 units or topics, and I did 6 so far. And then the last 2, I'm doing the 7th one now. I should be able to finish that today. The 8th one, though, like I mentioned, is supposed to be taught on Monday. But I don't think there's going to be school on Monday because there's supposed to be a snow... Ooh. There's supposed to be a snowstorm or something.
On previous one, we had
turn
this
this down.
which is easy for you to see that they are neighbors.
It is Monday. Online school. Because there's a blizzard. Let's see how it's looking. So we're gonna try and lock in today. I've made pretty much all the flashcards I need to make, and I have bio later today, so I need to make the flashcards for that as soon as that lecture's over. And yeah, in class right now. Oh, I have my whiteboard up here as well because I was gonna do some notes for bio, like review, with my whiteboard. So she's here. Good morning. Let's get ready for school. It actually snowed more this morning. It's currently like 8 something. Yeah, so we still have school. They gave us 2 days off. They're not gonna give us another one, so we can't, have any expectations. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of, face stuff. I don't know if I want to wear makeup. Gotta do the lashes though. This is my favorite mascara. I also love the regular Milk mascara. This is a tubing one though because it's easier to come off, and I feel like it looks really good. So get that. I don't feel like doing makeup today, honestly. done with my math class. I'm going to my bio class right now to take my exam. Y'all, look at my shoes. R.I.P. to my Uggs. Like, the snow really got them chewed up. About to go take my exam, guys. Pray. We're back. Period. We're back home. I was in Whole Foods. There was probably a clip of that. This is what I got. I got some cookies because I just wanted a little sweet treat after I took my test. So that's what we decided on. Whole Foods is right there. So I went, I got this. I actually never had this specifically, these cookies from there. So, I mean, it's just chocolate chip. So it shouldn't be nothing crazy. Let's see. I'm gonna try to open it with one hand. Okay. Okay. They're good. I was a little scared they were gonna be a little harder. They're a little hard, but I feel like I could probably just warm it up if I want them to be softer. Anyways, this is besides the point. Exam went great. The practice questions that we do like in class and the practice questions that we do in class and on like for homeworks and stuff is the exact same questions that he put on the test. So I'm very confident in my like 80 and above. I finished with like 15 minutes to spare and I left early. I went to Whole Foods and got this. I have choir practice later, but this vlog is over. It's been long enough. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Period. Bye.